How to see who shared my post on Facebook. So first and foremost is you have to go here to your App Store or your Play Store depending on what device you have, and make sure that you have updated your Facebook application. Now once it's updated, you may want to go here to your Facebook application, and as you can see here, it will look like this. Now to be able to see who shared your post on your Facebook, as you can go here directly to your profile, or the other way is on the bottom part you will see 6 different options there. Tap on your menu and tap on your name here, and it will lead you here to your profile section, right? Now, here are your posts, right? Now, let's check this post. So I just posted this one, and as you can see, under share here, you will see this or this notification that one person has shared your post here. Now, to be able to see who shared your post, all you have to do is to click on that one share. Just scroll a little bit, and now it's on the bottom part right now. Click on that, and as you can see, all the people who shared this post will pop out. And basically, that is how you see who shared your post. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.